In this video, we will show you how to factory reset Windows 11. To do factory reset on Windows 11, you just need to find the reset menu. Then in here, you can click the reset this PC. To reset on factory settings for Windows 11, you need to click this button. In here, there are two options. You can keep your files and your personal files, and in here the second is you can remove everything including the installed application and your personal files, including your downloaded files or etc. So if you want just keep my files, you can select this. If you want to remove everything, then your Windows will looks the new installation. You can click remove everything, and in here you can reinstall the Windows 11 using cloud download or local reinstall. I suggest you to using local reinstall in here. You can select this if you want, and in here our setting is remove all application and reinstall Windows from this device, and we can click next. And in here, because we are using laptop, we can plug in the power. And after you are plug in your power, and you can the last step, click reset button in here. And after that, your PC or laptop with Windows 11 will automatically delete everything and become new fresh installation of Windows 11. That's all tutorial how to factory reset Windows 11. Hope this video helpful for you.